Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can remove background noise from your audio in Capcut. Now Capcut allows you to make your voice or audio or voiceover much more smoother and noise free, and to do so you can follow this step-by-step guide. Simply import your audio onto your project media bin and from there to your timeline. Once you're done, you can see we need to select our audio, and you can see we are now in our audio panel. Here you can see we have our basic settings, but we are not going to be using these. Below you can see we have our noise reduction option. Simply check this. A prompt just opens saying noise reduced, and now when you play it back, the noise will be much more reduced and you will have a cleaner audio. So that's a pretty simple process on how to remove noise from your audio. I really hope you understood the concept and learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.